क्या खरीदा? What did you buy? What did you buy? मैंने एक टी शर्ट खरीदी. I bought a t-shirt. I bought a t-shirt. मैंने कुछ नहीं खरीदा. I didn't buy anything. I didn't buy anything. बस देखने गया था. Just went to see. Just went to see. वहाँ कौन बैठा है? Who is sitting there? Who is sitting there? वो मेरा कजिन है. That's my cousin. That's my cousin. मैं उसे नहीं जानता. I don't know him. I don't know him. शायद पड़ोस का कोई हो. Maybe someone from next door. Maybe someone from next door. तुम्हारा बैग कहाँ है? Where is your bag? Where is your bag? वो मेरे कमरे में है. It's in my room. It's in my room. वो खो गया है. I lost it. I lost it. लगता है कार में छोड़ दिया. I think I left it in the car. I think I left it in the car. तुम्हारा एग्जाम कब है? When is your exam? When is your exam? सोमवार को है. It's on Monday. It's on Monday. वो टल गया है. It got postponed. It got postponed. मुझे सही तारीख याद नहीं. I forgot the exact date. I forgot the exact date. तुम चिल्ला क्यों रहे हो? Why are you shouting? Why are you shouting? क्योंकि तुम सुन नहीं रहे. Because you are not listening. Because you are not listening. मैं चिल्ला नहीं रहा. I'm not shouting. I'm not shouting. Sorry, मुझे पता नहीं चला. Sorry, I didn't realize. Sorry, I didn't realize. आज का क्या प्लान है? What's your plan today? What's your plan today? दोस्तों के साथ बाहर जाऊंगा. I'll go out with friends. I'll go out with friends. कोई प्लान नहीं है. I have no plans. I have no plans. देखते हैं क्या होता है. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. तुम कल रात कहाँ गए थे? Where did you go last night? Where did you go last night? मैं एक दोस्त के घर गया था. I went to a friend's place. I went to a friend's place. मैं कहीं नहीं गया. I didn't go anywhere. I didn't go anywhere. बस थोड़ा बाहर गया था. I was just out for a while. I was just out for a while. बर्तन कौन धोएगा? Who will do the dishes? Who will do the dishes? मैं धो दूंगा. I'll do them. I'll do them. मैं नहीं करूंगा. I won't do it. I won't do it. चलो काम बांट लेते हैं. Let's divide the work. Let's divide the work. खाना कब तैयार होगा? When will dinner be ready? When will dinner be ready? 15 मिनट में. In 15 minutes. In 15 minutes. अभी तो बन ही नहीं रहा. It's not being made yet. It's not being made yet. माँ से पूछो, वही बना रही है. Ask mom, she is cooking. Ask mom, she is cooking. तुम किस बारे में सोच रहे हो? What are you thinking about? What are you thinking about? अपनी नौकरी के बारे में. About my job. About my job. कुछ भी नहीं. Nothing at all. Nothing at all. बस यूं ही खोया हो. Just lost in thoughts. Just lost in thoughts. तुम्हारे कपड़े गीले क्यों है? Why are your clothes wet? Why are your clothes wet? बारिश शुरू हो गई थी. It started raining. It started raining. ये गीले नहीं हैं. They are not wet. They are not wet. थोड़ा पानी गिर गया. I spilled some water. I spilled some water. मेरी किताब कहाँ रखी? Where did you put my book? Where did you put my book? तुम्हारे टेबल पर. On your table. On your table. मैंने उसे छुआ तक नहीं. I didn't touch it. I didn't touch it. एक बार शेल्फ देख लो. Check the shelf once. Check the shelf once. कौन गा रहा है? Who is singing? Who is singing? वो मेरी बहन है. That's my sister. That's my sister. कोई नहीं गा रहा. No one is singing. No one is singing. शायद बाहर से आवाज आ रही है. Maybe it's coming from outside. Maybe it's coming from outside. तुम मुझे कब कॉल करोगे? When will you call me? When will you call me? लंच के बाद. After lunch. After lunch. मैं कॉल नहीं कर पाऊंगा. I won't be able to call. I won't be able to call. शाम में ट्राई करूंगा. I'll try in the evening. I'll try in the evening. डिब्बे के अंदर क्या है? What's inside the box? What's inside the box? एक गिफ्ट है. It's a gift. It's a gift. कुछ खास नहीं है. Nothing important. Nothing important. चलो खोल कर देखते हैं. Let's open and see. Let's open and see. तुम्हें कौन कॉल कर रहा था? Who was calling you? Who was calling you? मेरा दोस्त. My friend. My friend. गलत नंबर था. Wrong number. Wrong number. नंबर बाद में चेक करूंगा. I'll check the number later. I'll check the number later. तुम कहाँ बैठना चाहते हो? Where do you want to sit? Where do you want to sit? खिड़की के पास. Near the window. Near the window. मैं बैठना नहीं चाहता. I don't want to sit. I don't want to sit. कहीं भी चलेगा. Anywhere is fine. Anywhere is fine. वह क्या कर रही है? What is she doing? What is she doing? वह पढ़ रही है. She is studying. She is studying. वह कुछ नहीं कर रही. She is doing nothing. She is doing nothing. लगता है कुछ सोच रही है. Looks like she is thinking. Looks like She is thinking. तुम इतनी जल्दी में क्यों हो? Why are you in a hurry? Why are you in a hurry? मुझे देर हो रही है. I am getting late. I am getting late. मैं जल्दी में नहीं हूँ. I am not in a hurry. I am not in a hurry. बस काम जल्दी खत्म करना है. Just want to finish things fast. Just want to finish things fast. यह गंदगी कौन साफ करेगा? Who is going to clean this mess? Who is going to clean this mess? मैं कर दूंगा. I'll do it. I'll do it. मैं नहीं. Not me. Not me. चलो मिलकर करते हैं. Let's do it together. Let's do it together. वह क्या पहन रही है? What is she wearing? What is she wearing? एक नीली ड्रेस. A blue dress. A blue dress. मैंने देखा नहीं. I didn't notice. I didn't notice. शायद कुछ नया पहना है. Maybe something new. Maybe something new. मेरी चाबियां कहाँ है? Where are my keys? Where are my keys? टेबल पर. On the table. On the table. मेरे पास नहीं है. I don't have them. I don't have them. अपनी जेब चेक करो. Check your pocket. Check your pocket. अब तुम्हें क्या चाहिए? What do you need now? What do you need now? बस थोड़ा आराम. Just some rest. Just some rest. मुझे कुछ नहीं चाहिए. I don't need anything. I don't need anything. शायद एक कप चाय. Maybe a cup of tea. Maybe a cup of tea. ये गंदगी किसने फैलाई? Who made this mess? Who made this mess? मैंने फैलाई. Sorry. I did. Sorry. I did. Sorry. मैंने नहीं किया. Not me. Not me. लगता है बच्चों ने किया. I think the kids did it. I think the kids did it. तुमने जवाब क्यों नहीं दिया? Why didn't you reply? Why didn't you reply? मुझे मैसेज दिखा नहीं. I didn't see the message. I didn't see the message. मेरा मन नहीं था. I didn't want to reply. I didn't want to reply. काम में बिजी था. I was busy with work. I was busy with work. टीवी को क्या हुआ है? What's wrong with the TV? What's wrong with the TV? केबल काम नहीं कर रहा. The cable is not working. The cable is not working. ये तो ठीक चल रहा है. It's working fine. It's working fine. शायद रिमोट की बैटरी खत्म हो गई है. Maybe remote needs new battery. Maybe remote needs new battery. तुम कब सोने जा रहे हो? When are you going to sleep? When are you going to sleep? थोड़ी देर में. In a while. In a while. अभी नहीं. Not now. Not now. ये खत्म करने के बाद. After I finish this. After I finish this. चार्जर कहाँ रखा? Where did you keep the charger? Where did you keep the charger? बेड पर. On the bed. On the bed. मैंने उसे छुआ भी नहीं. I didn't touch it. I didn't touch it. शायद हॉल में छोड़ आया. Maybe I left it in the hall. Maybe I left it in the hall. तुम्हारा पसंदीदा अभिनेता कौन है? Who is your favorite actor? Who is your favorite actor? ऋतिक रोशन. ऋतिक रोशन. ऋतिक रोशन. मुझे कोई ज्यादा पसंद नहीं. I don't like anyone much. I don't like anyone much. ये बदलता रहता है. It keeps changing. It keeps changing. तुम चाहते हो मैं क्या करूं? What do you want me to do? What do you want me to do? इस काम में मेरी मदद करो. Help me with this work. Help me with this work. कुछ भी नहीं. Nothing at all. Nothing at all. बस मेरे साथ रहो. Just stay with me. Just stay with me. अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो वीडियो को लाइक और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा वीडियो को शेयर करें. एंड लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन कि आगे आपको और कौन से टॉपिक पर वीडियो चाहिए. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग. सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट वन.